Welcome to Ulosca channel. Access all nursing practice questions. HESI Nursing Research Practice Questions with Answers.
Question 1. What is the primary purpose of nursing research? A. To replace clinical judgment. B. To increase nursing workload. C. To develop evidence-based practice. D. To follow physician orders more closely. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. To develop evidence-based practice. Explanation. Nursing research is essential in advancing evidence-based practice, helping nurses make informed decisions based on scientific data rather than tradition or intuition. Question 2. Which of the following best describes a qualitative research study? A. Uses numerical data to test hypotheses. B. Focuses on patient experiences and meanings. C. Relies on laboratory experiments. D. Measures statistical correlations only. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Focuses on patient experiences and meanings. Explanation. Qualitative research seeks to understand human experiences and perceptions through interviews, focus groups, and observations, rather than using numerical data. Question 3. In research, what is a hypothesis? A. A summary of results. B. A proven theory. C. A testable prediction. D. A random guess. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. A testable prediction. Explanation. A hypothesis is a clear, specific, and testable prediction about what will happen in a study, forming the basis of scientific investigation. Question 4. What is informed consent in nursing research? A. Approval from the nurse manager. B. Permission to conduct research without explaining details. C. Agreement from a participant after full disclosure of the study. D. Requirement only for clinical trials. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Agreement from a participant after full disclosure of the study. Explanation. Informed consent ensures participants voluntarily agree to participate after being fully informed of the study's purpose, procedures, risks, and benefits, protecting their autonomy. Question 5. What is the role of the Institutional Review Board? A. To fund research projects. B. To evaluate research for ethical standards. C. To collect data. D. To write research articles. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. To evaluate research for ethical standards. Explanation. The IRB safeguards the rights and welfare of human participants by reviewing research proposals to ensure ethical and legal standards are met. Question 6. Which research design is best for determining cause and effect? A. Descriptive. B. Qualitative. C. Experimental. D. Correlational. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Experimental. Explanation. Experimental research allows researchers to manipulate variables and use control groups, making it the gold standard for establishing causal relationships. Question 7. What does peer-reviewed mean in nursing research literature? A. Published without review. B. Reviewed by experts before publication. C. Edited by students. D. Sponsored by hospitals. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Reviewed by experts before publication. Explanation. Peer review ensures scholarly rigor and credibility. Experts evaluate the study's quality, methods, and relevance before it is published in academic journals. Question 8. What is an independent variable in a research study? A. The outcome being measured. B. The variable that is manipulated by the researcher. C. A constant factor. D. The variable that stays the same. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. The variable that is manipulated by the researcher. Explanation. The independent variable is what the researcher changes or manipulates to see if it has an effect on the dependent variable. Question 9. Which sampling method gives every person in a population an equal chance of being selected? A. Convenience sampling. B. Snowball sampling. C. Random sampling. D. Purposive sampling. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Random sampling. Explanation. Random sampling helps eliminate bias and ensures the sample represents the population, improving the generalizability of the findings. Question 10. Which of the following represents a primary source in nursing research? A. A textbook chapter on research methods. B. A literature review. C. An original research article authored by the investigator. D. A website summarizing studies. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. An original research article authored by the investigator. Explanation. A primary source contains original data and findings directly from the researchers, unlike secondary sources that interpret or review others' work.
Thank you for watching. For more practice exam questions, subscribe to our website at www.ulosca.com.